Wait, wait. I almost forgot. Listen, by getting the income shifting membership, what this puts you in a position to do is not only better your credit because it is included in your income shifting membership, but this allows you to practically be in position to have your own credit restoration business. What I mean is you now have the ability to give people access to the smart credit system by selling it to them directly and you earn income. Or if you want to take the education that's embedded into the smart credit system and start your own credit restoration company, you can do that as well. So so many ways you can earn money from it, as well as if you know others who can benefit from an income shifting membership, a holistic approach to personal financial success. Now you're in business. I can't believe I almost forgot that because there's so many people who are creating substantial cash flow as well as solid income from the comforts of their home by doing this and teaching this and sharing it with others. So I couldn't leave without saying that. I promise you I'm gone this time, but grab the income shifting membership or just grab the smart credit system, whichever suits you best. Mr. Smith signing out.